Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily harvest your plants and grow a garden, like how you can harvest it all at once. Going to go to the gear shop, and you are going to buy the let me just buy this, sorry. You're going to want to buy the harvest tool, and then you're going to go back to your garden and you're going to get that harvest tool. And you're going to select a tree you want to harvest everything from. For instance, this mango tree. Select the tree and it's going to harvest all of the fruits from that tree, and you don't have to harvest it one by one. I think it is super practical, especially for the beanstalk event, as you have to submit a lot of fruits, and just picking it one by one is a hassle in itself. So that is how you can harvest all the fruits from your tree and grow a garden. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.